Hey YouTube, as some of you may know, I'm a video editor and that's how I make my living. And my operating system is a Mac Pro here, and I've had this since 2009. And I was running everything on 6 gigabytes of RAM, 3 of these 2 gigabyte cards, and I decided to upgrade. And it is the easiest thing to do in all of computers as upgrading RAM, especially with Mac. And I was just going to show you guys how to do it. So first thing you gotta do is open up the compartment of the system. First is there's a little handlebar right here. Just pop over that handlebar and then open up the gate. And then what you want to do is pop out this tray. You don't want to try and install them going in. And what you gotta do then is push the button here and push the button here. And these two little handle thingies come out. Grab the handle thingies. It pops out. And what you want to do is be very careful with this. You don't want it to rest anywhere other than flat on the ground. Because well, with any computer installation, you have to be very careful. So yeah, I've upgraded to 12. So instead of three 240 pin DDR3 sticks of 2 gigabyte speed, I upgraded to each of them being 4 gigabytes speed. Take the RAM, and tip about the RAM is you want to be careful not to touch the little gold plates down here. So all you have to do is line up the sides to match there, and then on the corners you push in until it clicks. And you feel like you're gonna break it, but you're not. Just kind of walk it in, and you want to push until you hear the click. And I heard the click, so I'm good. And then you repeat that step for the next two. Line it up, push in the sides. And you want to make sure it clicks on both sides, because if it doesn't click, it means it's not in. It's no bueno. And last but not least, line up the sides. And that one was easy. Now that all 3 of those are in, you just take the steps in reverse. So I'm going to move the camera here. I know I'm an editor and too lazy to cut, right? Yeah. So you see this space here, you see that there is 3 little knobbies. Well, these little knobbies line up to the bottom of your unit here. So you want to make sure it lines up with these, and there's a little passageway that goes in on each side of the wall. So you want to make sure that the track, this slat right here gets in that track as well. Push in. And once you get these turning here, you just push them in. And that's it. And then you just take the fence, close it up, take you off the tripod because I'm too lazy to edit. Turn. As you can see, I've had some in and out and some root beer. Focus. Okay, these are the most stressful moments of just installing RAM. The boot up is taking longer than expected, but that's okay. It's probably just figuring out the new RAM. Ta-da! The memory modules are installed in the recommended slots. Okay. I'll leave you with a view of my cursor saying goodbye.